Hi, my name is Ronald Hamilton, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about ground power generator system before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ground power generator system is, be careful with the website you're going to buy ground power generator system, because ground power generator system is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is ground power generator system, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, ground power generator system works. Ground power generator is a helpful online guide by Professor Joseph Wilkinson on how you can build your natural power generator. It provides detailed instructions and is quite easy to follow. Ground power generator program aims to help reduce high electricity bills and enables contribution to environmental conservation. It also prevents the need for expensive solar panels and helps to make savings. Ground power generator is the closest and easiest step to producing green energy, which comes in unlimited amounts with no expenses. Also, it does not get affected by natural disasters and is very easy to maintain. Anyone with the right tools and properly following the procedure mentioned in the ground power generator program can easily create their ground power generator in no time. No technical knowledge or additional skills are required to fulfill this project. It is 100% legal and eco-friendly, so you needn't worry about any harm to your family or the environment. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with ground power generator system, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test ground power generator system for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy ground power generator system from, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that ground power generator system helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.